What's up, party people? I am back with another HelloFresh meal, and today I am making sweet chili turkey lettuce wraps. So first I cleaned off my produce, and I'm just cutting up my pepper, getting the inside part out. Yeah. And now I'm just cutting up my pepper. It's all nicely diced now, so I'm gonna do my onion. Now my onion's all nicely diced, so I'm gonna cut up my lime. And then I just washed off my cilantro, now I'm cutting it up. And then I'm just cutting off the end pieces of the lettuce where the brown stem parts is. No one wants to eat that part. So I'm just cutting that off. And so now I'm roasting my peanuts. Just gonna add a little sugar on top to make them sweet. And then I'm gonna saute my onions and my pepper. Add a little salt and pepper to it as well. And then I'm gonna season my turkey with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I'm gonna let that cook until it's nice and brown. And then I'm gonna mix in those sauteed onions and the pepper. Add in my sweet chili sauces. Mix in some butter, you already know. Look at it all mixed up. So then I'm gonna add a little lime to it on top, and then place that inside of the lettuce wrap and put the peanuts and cilantro on top. And after the taste test, the verdict is good. It was very good. And then I made brownies and